Hello everybody, thanks for clicking. That's me RD, Mr. Webtalk channel, and this very short review of mobile app, Webtalk mobile app, Android version, and just released yesterday evening, and I'm so excited to show you how it works. It's amazing. Really simple to use, really fast, interface is nice, and just look, really I am very happy. And we have dark theme. Yeah, we can make it dark, and it's so nice. I like dark. Wonderful. Let's go watch video. It is our dearest teachers are live now on Webtalk. It is broadcast, and they are also excited about this announcement about this event. Wonderful. Friends, Webtalk is a new social network, and very soon you will see PR company of Webtalk, and everybody will join Webtalk because Webtalk pays money to users. Do you get money from Facebook or any other social network, LinkedIn, Twitter? I don't think so. Just here is, do you see my earnings during current month? $57 I've already earned, and it is my previous and total earnings. And so every time, every month, it's getting more and more. Amazing, wonderful mobile app. Wow, so many countries would be excited, so many countries. I am so happy to have it. Friends, right now it is available for everybody, around the world, because mobile have almost everybody. Just maybe little baby, they have no mobile apps. But all adults, people, just take a look. It's so nice, amazing. We are interacting, we are giving to each other emoji and comments, and we are paid for that. Just take a look. I joined to Mohammed page, and when I scroll down this page, he gets points, he gets money. That's amazing, wonderful. I have no words. I am very happy. That's fantastic. So friends, don't waste your time on Facebook and any other social network. Join to Webtalk.